So you drive a petrol car, you fill it up, turn the key and it runs. Simple, right? Well, actually, that's not quite the whole story. There's a hidden world under your hood. One that only experienced drivers truly understand. These 5 petrol engine secrets separate average car owners from those who really know how to get maximum performance, fuel efficiency, and engine life out of their ride. If you're not using these secrets, you're leaving money and horsepower on the table. Let's dive in. You ever wonder why some people get over 400,000 miles on the same engine while yours barely touches 150,000? It's not just luck. It starts with one overlooked habit: warming up your engine the right way. Most drivers think you need to idle for 5 to 10 minutes on a cold morning. But here's the truth: long idling actually damages your petrol engine. Excess fuel dumps into the cylinders, washes away protective oil, and causes carbon buildup. Smart drivers? They let the engine idle for 30 seconds to 1 minute, then gently drive off, keeping RPMs low. That warms up the engine faster, reduces wear, and saves gas. Your engine doesn't like sitting still. It likes motion, gentle, controlled motion. Ever heard an engine ping or knock under acceleration? Most drivers ignore it, or worse, don't even notice. But, experienced drivers know that's the sound of pre-ignition, when fuel ignites too early due to high temperatures or low-octane fuel. If left unchecked, this will destroy your pistons. The secret? Use the octane level your engine was designed for, or even slightly higher in older engines prone to knock. And if you're modifying your car or live in hot climates, run higher octane to protect the internals. Smart drivers don't just follow the manual, they listen to the engine. A smooth-running petrol engine is all about timing, spark timing to be exact. But what experienced drivers know is that carbon buildup on spark plugs can ruin that balance. Dirty plugs lead to poor combustion, higher fuel consumption, and power loss. That's why the pros change spark plugs more frequently than recommended, especially in high-mileage or city-driven cars. And they don't cheap out. They use OEM or iridium-tipped plugs that maintain a strong spark longer, because one weak spark and your entire engine struggles to perform. Let's talk air filters. You might replace yours every 15,000 miles like the book says. But honestly, experienced drivers do one extra thing. They inspect it every oil change. Why? Because a clogged air filter means your engine can't breathe. More resistance means less airflow, which means inefficient combustion. That equals sluggish acceleration, lower fuel economy, and dirty internals. Pop the hood, pull the filter, hold it up to light. Can't see through it, replace it. It takes 60 seconds, and it could give your engine a second life. Finally, the biggest secret of them all: throttle discipline. Not everything is about power, It's really about how you deliver it. Experienced drivers don't constantly floor it, then slam the brakes. Instead, they drive with smooth, gradual acceleration. Why? Well, because sudden throttle input dumps excess fuel into the engine, flooding cylinders, increasing wear, and skyrocketing fuel usage. Controlled driving means cleaner combustion, smoother shifts, less wear on mounts, and honestly, a happier engine overall. Driving like a maniac might feel fun for a moment, but it'll cost you big time down the road. These 5 petrol engine secrets aren't found in your owner's manual. They're passed down from drivers who've clocked hundreds of thousands of miles without a breakdown. If even one of these surprised you, then you're already ahead of most drivers on the road. But don't stop here. Subscribe to Gear Specs to unlock more secrets, myths, and tricks that keep your car running better, longer, and cheaper. Hit that like button to let the algorithm know you value your car. Drop a comment telling us, how many of these did you know? And don't forget to share this with a friend who needs to hear the truth about petrol engines. Drive smart, respect your engine, and I'll see you in the next one.